Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my latest travel video. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, beach parties in Barcelona. If you're looking for a fun and unforgettable time, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First up, we have Opium. This is one of the most popular beach clubs in Barcelona, and for good reason. It's located right on the beach with stunning views of the Mediterranean. The music is always pumping, the drinks are flowing, and the crowd is always up for a good time. You can dance the night away or simply lounge on the comfortable sunbeds and enjoy the atmosphere. Next, we have Shoko. This is another popular beach club, known for its beautiful decor and upscale vibe. It's the perfect spot for a more sophisticated beach party, with delicious cocktails and a beautiful crowd. There are also plenty of events and performances throughout the summer, so be sure to check the calendar before you go. Moving on, we have Pacha. This is a legendary nightclub that has been around for decades, and its beach club is just as impressive. Located in the trendy neighborhood of Barceloneta, Pacha has a stunning terrace with beautiful views of the sea. The music is always on point, and the crowd is always lively. Be sure to dress to impress, as this is one of the more upscale beach clubs in the city. Please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.